What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Ford Transit remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Ford Transits that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this kind of long slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is put my key in that slot like that, push it in as far as it goes. Then I'm just going to angle up like this and push up on that back cover. And that can take a good amount of pressure to pop that off, especially if it's never been off there before. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab a small screwdriver or even something like with a point on it. You just want it to fit down in this little notch right here. That little notch will allow you to get something in there and get on the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. And this screwdriver is almost even just a little too big, but we did get it out. Once we get our old battery out, we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. I'll tuck this edge in first like this, and then snap that down into place. Then I'm going to grab my back cover, and if you notice on this back cover, there's this little tab right here. That's what I'm going to slide in first. Slide that tab in like that, and then snap the back cover down. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.